If you're a registered nurse and you want to transfer your license to New Jersey, here's what you need to do. Start by gathering your documents. You'll need a recent passport-style photo. Just make sure it's not a selfie and that your name is written on the back. Then get your ID ready. If you were born in the US, use a copy of your birth certificate or US passport. If you're naturalized, send your certificate or passport. And if you're here on a visa or other status, you'll need copies of both sides of your immigration card. If your current name is different from what's on your birth certificate, include proof of the name change. This could be a marriage license or court document. Now go online to the New Jersey Consumer Affairs website and fill out the RN endorsement application. You'll pay a total of $200 using a credit card. That covers the license fee, the application, and a small fee for a mandatory program. When you're done, print the receipt and sign it at the bottom. Next is fingerprinting. If you live in or near New Jersey, the state will mail you instructions for digital fingerprinting. If you're further out, you'll need to request fingerprint cards from the site. Fill out the forms, include a $58.69 check made out to Morpho Trust, and send everything in. Now comes license verification. You need to show proof that your nursing license is in good standing in every state where you've ever been licensed. If the state is listed on the nurse's site, that's the fastest way. If not, you'll need to contact that state's board and ask them to send the verification directly to New Jersey. Lastly, complete the criminal history background check section on the application. If you've had any legal issues, include those documents too. Once everything's submitted and processed, you'll be officially on track to practice nursing in New Jersey.